Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to find an iPhone if it is lost and switched off. For example, if you have lost your iPhone and now it is showing switched off, so how you can find your iPhone. So if you want to find your iPhone, then if you, what you have to do, you have to simply do some necessary settings. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings here. So first of all, you have to do some necessary settings, which are as you have to simply go to Apple ID, and after that you have to simply go to Find My iPhone. And after that, you have to simply make sure that you have turned this toggle on. And moreover, you have to simply turn on this toggle, Find My Network, and you also have to turn on Send Lost Location. And after that, you have to also turn on Share My Location in Find My iPhone. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply sign in one or two iPhone devices with same Apple ID, so that you can simply find another iPhone using the same Apple ID iPhone by checking their location. So if you have more than one iPhone, so you can simply connect them by a single Apple ID, and after that you can simply use another iPhone, so that you can simply search for the another lost iPhone. So if you have signed in or logged in your iPhone with the same Apple ID, then you can simply check their last location by using Find My iPhone. So in this way, you can simply find your lost and switched iPhone. So you have to make sure that you have done all the necessary settings to find your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.